Hello, today we will discuss the next point from unit first, that is Taylor's and the Maclaurin series. Okay, the Taylor's and Maclaurin series, also Taylor's theorem and Maclaurin theorem. Okay, this is third part from your first unit. Okay, now first we will discuss the Maclaurin theorem. Okay, first Maclaurin theorem. After that we will discuss the Taylor's theorem. Okay, so first Maclaurin theorem. Maclaurin's theorem. Okay, Maclaurin theorem. These two parts belongs to the infinite series. Okay, infinite series. So first Maclaurin theorem statement. Any function of x can be expressed in ascending powers of x. In ascending powers of x. That is, suppose we have any function of x, then this function can be written in the ascending powers of x. This is a statement of the Maclaurin theorem. Okay, that is suppose f of x be any function, this function can be written as f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square divided by 2 f double dash of 0 plus x cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash of 0 plus dot dot plus x raised to n upon n factorial f raised to n at 0 plus dot dot. Okay, this is your ascending power of x. Here power of x is 0, here power of x is 1, here power of x is 2, here power of x is 3, the next term power of x is 4, dot dot, here is the nth term x raised to n, nth power of x divided by n factorial f raised to n at 0, dot dot. Okay, so in simple way we have to write any function of x is in the power of x. Okay, this is statement of the Maclaurin theorem. Okay, for example expand example first. I will write one example first. Expand e raised to x in powers of x by using the Maclaurin theorem. Expand the function e raised to x in powers of x by using Maclaurin theorem. Okay, we will explain. Here the given function is e raised to x and we will expand this function in the powers of x by using Maclaurin theorem. Okay, now in answer here f of x is e raised to x, correct? F of x is e raised to x. By Maclaurin theorem, then statement is f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus dot 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 x raised to n upon n factorial into f raised to n at 0 plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is your infinite series. Okay, we have to write this f of x as a e raised to x, correct? Suppose this is your equation first. This is your equation first. Now, in equation first, we have to require the value of f of 0, value of f dash of 0, value of f double dash of 0, value of f triple dash of 0, also the value of f raised to n at 0. Okay. तो फर्स्ट फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ f of 0. f of x क्या है यहाँ पे? f of x is equal to e raised to x, correct? Implies f of 0. We get f of 0 as e raised to, here x we have to replace by 0. We have to find value of this f of 0. E raised to 0, answer is 1, correct? Now same, find f dash of x. f dash of x is equal to derivative of e raised to x, then f dash of 0. We have to find, first find f dash of x, then in f dash of x replace x as 0. We get e raised to 0, this is also 1. Then take second derivative, that is f double dash of x. The second derivative of e raised to x is same, e raised to x. Then replace x as 0, f double dash of 0 is equal to e raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then next f triple dash of x is equal to e raised to x का differentiation, again e raised to x, then replace x as 0. The f triple dash of 0 is equal to, replace x as 0, e raised to 0 is equal to 1, correct? Dot dot dot, nth derivative also e raised to x. Okay, f of x is e raised to x, nth derivative also e raised to x. Now put all these values in equation first. Put in equation 1, we get the value of f of x is e raised to x is equal to value of f of x e raised to x, then the value of f of 0, is 1 plus x into value of f dash of 0, उसकी value is also 1 plus next term x square by 2 factorial into value of f double dash of 0, value is 1 plus x cube upon 3 factorial, then value of f triple dash 0 also 1 plus, then for next क्या मिलेगा? same pattern, x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus dot dot dot, for nth x raised to n upon n factorial plus dot 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 dot. We get the expansion of e raised to x by using the Maclaurin series. Okay, that is e raised to x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial dot 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 x raised to n upon n factorial plus dot dot dot. Okay, and this is your infinite series. This is your infinite series. Same we have to also find for f of x is equal to sin x. Yes. Also find f of x is equal to cos x. Also find for f of x is equal to tan x. Also find for f of x is equal to log x. Okay. Same process. First write given function. Then write the Maclaurin theorem. F of x equation first. Then find value of f of x. Also f of 0, then f dash of x, then f dash of 0, then f double dash of x, then f double dash of 0, then f triple dash of x, then f triple dash of 0. Then put all these value in equation first, we get the required expansion. Okay, now I will write the some important series directly. I will write value of that series directly here. Now second, I will write this is your expansion of e raised to x, and this is your the statement of theorem. Okay, now I will write the remaining directly. Okay, second, f of x is equal to, I will write answer of remaining theorems directly. Look on the board. Second, f of suppose this is your first, then second, suppose this x is replaced by minus x, so we get expansion of e raised to minus x as replace alternately positive and negative sign. 1 minus x plus x square upon 2 factorial minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial minus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial dot dot dot. Okay, this is expansion of e raised to minus x, and this is your second series. Then third, f of x is equal to sin x. Third, then we get sin x is equal to, if we have to find all this value and put in this equation, we get answer f of x is equal to sin x. We get x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 upon 7 factorial plus dot dot dot. This is expansion of sin x. Okay, all are odd number of terms, x ka power 1, x ka power 3, x ka power 5, x ka power 7. Okay, because this function is odd function. The next 4, cos x, this is 1 minus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 upon 6 factorial plus dot 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 dot. This is expansion of cos x. Okay, expansion of cos x. Now I will write the remaining all the series directly here. Then the next 5, this is your 4, then 5, the series of tan x. Series of tan x, and tan x is x plus x cube upon 3 factorial, sorry, x cube upon 3, not 3 factorial. The series of tan x, x plus x cube upon 3 plus 2x raised to 5 divided by 15 plus 17x raised to 7 divided by 315 plus dot 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 dot. This is expansion of tan x. This series tan x. The next 6, the expansion of sin hyperbolic hx, sin hx hyperbolic. Okay, as it is this expansion with all the terms are positive, because here sin is hyperbolic. As it is this expansion changes, all the terms are positive. We get x plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial plus x raised to 7 upon 7 factorial plus dot 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 dot. Okay, this is expansion of sin hx. The next 7, the expansion of cos hx. This is all this term with positive sign. Okay, so 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial plus x raised to 6 divided by 6 factorial plus dot dot dot. Okay, the next, the expansion of tan hx. 8, expansion of tan hx, and this is x minus, this is same series, only alternately positive and negative. Okay, just tan x, only signs are changes. X minus x cube upon 3 plus 2x raised to 5 divided by 15 plus minus, this is minus 17x raised to 7 upon 315 plus dot dot dot. This is expansion of tan hyperbolic x. Okay, the next, the expansion of log 1 plus x. 9 log of 1 plus x, and expansion of this series is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus dot 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 dot. Okay, this is expansion of log 1 plus x. Then next we will discuss the next series also. This is your 9. Then next, the expansion of log, this is your e raised to x. Next 10, the expansion of log 1 minus x. Log 1 minus x, we get minus x minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 divided by 4 minus dot dot dot. This series contains all negative sign. Okay, log 1 plus x alternately positive and negative. Difference क्या है? Log 1 plus x alternately positive and negative, but in log 1 minus x all the terms are negative. Okay, the next, the binomial theorem. We know that the binomial theorem very well. 11, 1 plus x bracket raised to n. 1 plus x bracket raised to n. Now tell me expansion of this binomial theorem. क्या था expansion of this binomial theorem? 1 plus, क्या था 1 plus nx plus n in bracket n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square plus next term n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial x cube plus dot 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 dot. Okay, binomial theorem. We know that very well. Then next, after that, 1 upon 1 minus x. Expansion of this series 1 upon 1 minus x. This is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 dot. This is expansion of 1 upon 1 minus x. And suppose we have to replace this x as x square, then we get 1 upon 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square, we get this x is replaced by x square, then we get here also x is replaced by x square. 1 plus x replaced by x square replaced by x square, तो क्या जाएगा x raised to 4. here यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा x raised to 6 plus dot 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 dot. Okay, then next 1 upon 1 plus x. Here is 1 upon 1 minus x and here is 1 upon 1 plus x. We get directly alternately the positive and negative sign. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x raised to 4 plus dot dot dot. We get this series. And suppose next 15, we have to replace this x as x square. तो क्या मिलेगा 1 plus x square is equal to 1 minus x square. Replace here x as x square. Okay, 1 minus x square plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 plus dot 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 dot. Okay, and these are the some important infinite series. Okay, first is e raised to x, e raised to minus x, sin x, cos x, tan x, sin hyperbolic hx, cos hyperbolic hx, tan hx, log of 1 plus x, log of 1 minus x, 1 plus x bracket raised to n, 1 minus x bracket 1 upon 1 minus x, after that 1 upon 1 minus x square, after that 1 upon 1 plus x, after that 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, these all the series are important. Okay, these all the infinite series are important. We have to show the every result by using the Maclaurin theorem. Okay, ये series आपके पास perfect होना चाहिए. Then after that we will discuss some example on the Maclaurin theorem. Okay, now we will start the example. These are very important series. Here also these are also important in hyperbolic also and this also. Okay, now examples. I will start this example on infinite series, that is examples on Maclaurin series. Okay, now example first, show that e raised to x into cos x, show that example first, show that e raised to x into cos x is equal to 1 plus x minus x cube upon 3 minus x raised to 4 divided by 6 plus dot dot dot. Okay, we have to show that these. So here we have to show that e raised to x into cos x is equal to 1 plus x minus x cube upon 3 minus x raised to 4 upon 6 plus dot dot dot. Correct. Okay. Now consider LHS for finding answer. Consider LHS, and here LHS is e raised to x into cos of x. Correct. Therefore, I will write all the series. We have to find answer up to fourth power of x. Okay. First clear this. We will find answer up to fourth power of x. Okay. Now e raised to x into cos x. Now we know that the series of e raised to x, अभी हमने लिखा था यहाँ पे 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial. We have to write up to fourth place plus dot dot dot. Next term लिखने की जरूरी नहीं है, because we have to find answer up to fourth power of x. Into cos of x, we know that the series of cos is 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial, then plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial, then minus वो लिखने की जरूरी नहीं dot dot dot, because we have to find answer up to fourth place. Okay, now here the highest power of x is 4. उसका meaning क्या है? We have to find answer up to fourth place. Then after that the power of 4, we have to delete all this term. Okay. Now do here the simple multiplication. This 1 multiplied to this bracket, so we get 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial, value of 2 factorial is 2, plus 1 multiplied to this whole bracket x raised to 4, and value of 4 factorial is 24. Correct. This is your first term. Now plus x, multiply this x to this bracket, we get, तो क्या मिलेगा 1 into x, this is x minus x into x square, this is x cube divided by 2 factorial is 2, then x into this, तो x का पावर क्या जाएगा फोर्थ. Okay, fifth, x into x raised to 4, this belongs to x raised to fifth. No need to write, because we have to find answer up to fourth place. Then multiply this x square upon 2 factorial to this bracket, x square into 1, तो क्या मिलेगा प्लस x square डिवाइड में क्या है 2 factorial, that is 2, then this into this, वहाँ पे क्या जाएगा माइनस x square into x square, this is x raised to 4 divided by 2 factorial is 2, and this is 2 into 2 4. Okay, then next x square into x raised to 4, this is x raised to 6, no need to write, plus multiply this x cube divided by 3 factorial to this, तो क्या जाएगा फर्स्ट x cube into 1, तो क्या मिलेगा x cube divided by this, हाँ यहाँ पे क्या है 3 factorial, and value of 3 factorial is 6. Correct. Then x cube into x square, this is x raised to 5, no need to write. Okay, then next also no need to write, and last term here plus x raised to 4 into 1, multiply this x raised to 4 into 1, क्या जाएगा x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial is 24. Okay, into this this plus into minus क्या जाएगा minus x raised to 4 into x square, this is x raised to 6, no need to write, plus dot 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 up to infinity. Now simplify this. simplify this, we get 1. हाँ देखो, हाँ see here is x square by 2. I will write here. Here is x square by 2. Here is x square by 2 and here is also x square by 2. But sign opposite. This get cancel. Correct. यहाँ पे क्या है minus x square by 2. यहाँ पे plus x square by 2 get cancel. Then see the power of x cube. यहाँ पे क्या है minus x cube by 2. यहाँ पे plus x cube by 6. Correct. Then last the powers of this x is missing. I will write here x. यहाँ पे क्या है x. Then also the power of x raised to 4. यहाँ पे plus x raised to 4 upon 24. Here is also x raised to 4 upon 24. And here minus x raised to 4 upon 4 plus dot dot dot. Correct. Only one term is cancelled. That is x square by 2 and this x square by 2 get cancelled. Then remaining term as it is. Now solve this. This is 1 plus here is x. Then find LCM of these two. Find LCM and write. Here we get multiply by 3. Here is minus 3. Divide में क्या जाएगा 6. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1. क्या बचेगा? Minus 2x cube divided by 6. Minus 2x cube divided by 6. Then plus here also same find LCM. Plus here is यहाँ पे क्या है सेम है. 1 plus 1 क्या जाएगा 2 x raised to 4 divided by 24 minus x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus dot dot dot. Now we have to simplify this. We get this is 1 plus x. Then here 2 divided by 6 we get minus x cube divided by 6. Sorry 3. X cube divided by 3. Then find LCM here. Okay, multiply by 6. Then we get this is यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा minus 6 divided by 24. Minus 6 plus 2 तो क्या जाएगा minus 4 and divided by this 24 तो क्या जाएगा minus 4 divided by 24. This is minus 1 upon 6 minus x raised to 4 upon 6 plus dot dot dot. Okay, and this is your RHS. This is your RHS. Okay, so we have to find any answer by using this proper method. Okay, here e raised to x into cos x, consider LHS, and we have to show that RHS. Here basic point is, in this expansion we have to find the highest power of x up to 4. Okay, for this purpose the higher power of x is deleted. Okay.